Rating the street food I ate at Myeongdong Night Market, Seoul, Korea. First up is the egg bread. This one is around 3,000 Korean won or around 120 pesos. Soft, fluffy, with a whole egg inside. Basta kainin nyo habang mainit because that's when it's at its best. Surprisingly, this one has been one of my favorites. Sobrang filling kasi niya and nakailang bili rin kami nito in the whole trip. So I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Next, we tried the grilled cheese skewers. So this one naman cost around 5,000 Korean won or around 200 pesos. Para siyang pizza on a stick. Chewy, cheesy, tapos dip in condensed milk. Masarap naman, pero kailangan kasi siyang ubusin agad habang mainit. Kasi tumitigas yung mozzarella. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Next is the Korean corn dog. Prices range from 4,000 Korean won to 5,000. We got the potato cheese version. Feeling naman siya, medyo heavy sa tiyan. Pero honestly, hindi ako masyadong na-excite eating it. So I'm gonna give it like a 5 out of 10. Cheese kimchi pork belly roll. Ito talaga, inabangan ko to because of the bacon. And the cooking showmanship was pretty good. Ang ganda kasi panoorin habang ginagawa siya. Pero nung natikman ko na, okay lang pala. It's also one of the pricier items at 10,000 Korean won each. So if nagtitipid kayo, you can actually skip this one. I'm gonna give it around 6 over 10. Now here's another favorite of mine, the japchae for 6,000 Korean won. Ang dami ng serving and sobrang sarap niya. Tapos may vegetarian version din siya. Sulit na sulit. 10 out of 10 for this one. The fish cake skewers, eto masarap din to guys. Only 2,000 Korean won each. And don't skip the pre-hot broth. Lalo na kung winter, sobrang comforting nito. So I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 as well. Of course, partneran mo pa yan ng tteokbokki combo. Usually magkasama yung binibenta, yung tteokbokki tsaka yung fish cake skewers. Yung tteokbokki naman is around 5,000 Korean won. This one is of course spicy, chewy, very comforting. Perfect for the winter season. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. So if you're visiting Myeongdong, guys, usually Myeongdong Night Market starts getting busy around 5 p.m. staying open until 10 to 11 p.m. So personally, I think the best time to visit is around 6 p.m. when the atmosphere is actually lively and almost all of the stalls are open. And perfect siya for dinner. So save this for your Korean trip and let me know which Korean street food should I try next.